Renters, do you want to know how owning a home can improve your net worth? Today, more than ever, owning a home is not only a big achievement, but also a major financial milestone to your net worth. This is because as a homeowner, you are able to build equity in your home, which in turn give you net worth a boost. Hi, I'm Lily Whittington with eXp Realty, here to tell you if you want to increase your financial security, now might be a good time to invest in real estate. A recent report from the National Association of Realtors talks about the net worth of a homeowner compared to what a renter, and finds that the average homeowner's net worth is roughly 40 times greater than that of a renter. So why is this? This is because as a homeowner, your equity grows as your home appreciates in value and you continue to make monthly mortgage payments to your loan. If you are a renter, you do not have this opportunity. You do not build equity on something you do not own. In fact, despite the recent housing market roller coaster, homeownership is still considered one of the most reliable ways to build wealth. When you rent, you are not investing in your financial future the same way you are when you are paying off a mortgage. In most markets, home equity will continue to build wealth over time, and your home will become an asset that has the potential to appreciate in value as you continue to pay down the balance of your mortgage. With the recent lowering rates and increase in inventory, you might be in a better position to buy. So if you are looking to finally stop renting and want to purchase a home, please reach out to us, to me and my team, so we can help you strategize the best way possible to achieve your dreams and help build your financial network. I am Lily Whittington. When you love what you do, people love what you do.